Welcome to Inspiring Inputs. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired, stay blessed, stay with inspiring inputs. Your health account, your bank account, they are the same thing. The more you put in, the more you can take out. Healthy self is equal to heal thyself. The human body is the best picture of the human soul. Most people have no idea how good their body is designed to feel. Fall in love with taking care of your body. Keep your vitality. A life without health is like a river without water. Immerse yourself into yourself. The man who earns $1 million but destroys his health in this process is not really a success. When diet is wrong, medicine is of no use. When diet is correct, medicine is of no need. If you don't recognize an ingredient, your body won't either. A healthy outside starts from the inside. Healthy is an outfit that looks different on everybody. He who has health has hope, and he who has hope has everything. Let us build wellness rather than treat disease. Create healthy habits, not restrictions. You cannot enjoy abundance of wealth if you are not in good health. Health is like money. We never have a true idea of its value until we lose it. Happiness is the highest form of health. Exercise should be regarded as a tribute to the heart. Exercise is king, nutrition is queen. Put them together and you have got a kingdom. Reading is to the mind what exercise is to the body. The reason I exercise is for the quality of life I enjoy. Almost everything will work again if you unplug it for a few minutes, including you. Sickness is the vengeance of nature for the violation of her laws. The greatest healing therapy is friendship and love. Eating is ecstasy. Overeating is lunacy. What mental health needs are more sunlight, more candor, and more unashamed conversation. Every living cell in your body is made from the food you eat. If you consistently eat junk food, then you will have a junk body. Lack of activity destroys the good condition of every human being, while movement and methodical physical exercise save it and preserve it. Above all, do not lose your desire to walk. Every day I walk myself into a state of well-being and walk away from every illness. I have walked myself into my best thoughts, and I know of no thought so burdensome that one cannot walk away from it. Sleep is the most important repair mechanism our body has, and getting enough of it will ensure you are feeling fit and energized the next day. Hope you like the content. Please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Your comments and suggestions are welcome. Have a great day ahead. Good luck to you.